1. Tired of heat damage and endless styling? Meet your new best friend, the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set. 2. This amazing product delivers gorgeous, frizz-free curls overnight, completely eliminating the need for damaging hot tools. 3. Crafted from luxurious 100% satin, the extra-long 34-inch curling rod is so comfortable, you'll barely notice it's there as you sleep. 4. Simply wrap your hair around the rod for just 5 minutes before bed, secure with the included satin scrunchies, and wake up to beautiful, bouncy waves. 5. Imagine reclaiming your morning routine. This Kitsch overnight blowout rod truly saves you precious time, giving you salon-worthy results with minimal effort. 6. What sets Kitsch apart is its original, thoughtful design, ensuring even, damage-free styling for all hair types. 7. If you've been looking for the best heatless curler or effective overnight styling tools, your search ends here. 8. Ready to embrace effortless, healthy styling? Click the Amazon link below to get your own Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set. 9. This Kitsch Heatless Curler truly offers salon-quality results without the fuss or damage, making it a brilliant addition to any beauty routine. 10. Say goodbye to heat damage and hello to perfect curls. It's absolutely a must-have for flawless hair in 2025.